What's up, everybody? Gibson's Lawn Service checking back in. Actually about to go clean my toe pig real fast. When I done all that, when it picked up all that topsoil and it rained, there's so much dirt on the back of the truck, it's ridiculous. So I gotta go clean that out real fast. And I'm gonna try to clean the inside of the truck out, vacuum it out, wipe it down, and prepare for another week. The previous week was a successful week. This coming week, if it don't rain, it's gonna be an awesome week. Still trying to pick up new clientele. Still trying to build my clientele. I'm finally getting to the point where I want to be in business. Finally got all the equipment I want. I got a couple more goals on my checklist I'm gonna be checking off. Hopefully within the next month or so. But like I said, I'm gonna keep y'all with me on this journey and just see how far we can take it. As y'all can see, that didn't work out how I thought it was gonna work out, and I actually only had $2 on me. I don't know why, but this place over here don't take cards. All they take is coins and cash, and they had them but $2. So I guess I'll try and go home and finish the rest.